What if I told you a $20,000 drone could destroy a $4 million missile defense system without even hitting its target? Right now in the Middle East, Iran is launching cheap drones and missiles, and the United States is shooting them down with some of the most expensive interceptor missiles ever built. And here's the problem. The math doesn't work. Because every interception might actually be a strategic win for Iran. The cost imbalance. Since the conflict escalated, Iran has launched more than 500 ballistic missiles and over 2,000 drones. The US and its allies have intercepted hundreds of them using advanced systems like THAAD, Patriot PAC-3, SM-3 interceptors. These are some of the most sophisticated air defense weapons in the world. But they're also extremely expensive. A single interceptor missile can cost between $3 million and $4 million. Now compare that to Iran's drones. Some of them cost around $20,000. That means every time the US shoots one down, the exchange ratio can be 200 to 1 in cost. The stockpile problem. The real issue isn't just cost, it's supply. During a 12-day conflict last year, the United States reportedly used about 25% of its THAAD interceptor stockpile. Now, analysts believe the current conflict may have already consumed even more in less than a week. And here's where things get worrying. America produces about 600 Patriot missiles per year. But in just a few days of intense defense operations, nearly a full year's production could be used up. And replacing them isn't quick. Interceptor missiles can take 1 to 3 years to manufacture. Iran's strategy. Iran understands this dynamic very well. In fact, on March 3rd, Iran's defense ministry publicly said it had prepared for a prolonged confrontation. That tells us something important. Iran isn't necessarily trying to win the missile exchange directly. Instead, the strategy may be to drain the opponent's missile defenses. This tactic is sometimes called magazine depletion warfare. Think of it like forcing your opponent to empty their ammunition first. Because once interceptor stocks run low, missiles start getting through. The logistics reality. Former President Donald Trump recently said the United States has virtually unlimited munitions. And in some ways, that's true. For weapons like JDAM bombs, standard air-launched munitions, production capacity is strong. But defensive interceptors are a completely different story. These systems are complex, high precision, built in limited numbers, and they're specifically designed to defend US bases and allies from missile attacks. Which means if stockpiles shrink too much, the ability to protect critical infrastructure could weaken. Economic warfare. This turns the conflict into something unexpected. Economic warfare. Iran spends $20,000. The United States spends $4 million. From a purely financial perspective, every interception becomes a huge imbalance. If Iran launches 1,000 cheap drones, it might cost around $20 million. But intercepting them all could cost the US billions. And that's exactly the kind of asymmetry modern warfare is starting to exploit. Cheap drones, mass production, and overwhelming numbers. The future of warfare. This situation is forcing militaries around the world to rethink missile defense. Because the current system was designed for small numbers of high-value targets, not thousands of cheap drones flooding the sky. So defense planners are now exploring new solutions like laser weapons, microwave defenses, cheaper interceptor systems, AI-controlled drone defense networks. These technologies aim to shoot down drones for pennies instead of millions. But most of them are still years away from large-scale deployment. So the real question isn't just who has better missiles, it's who runs out first. Because in modern warfare, sometimes the goal isn't to destroy your enemy. It's simply to drain their resources until the defense collapses. And right now, a $20,000 drone might be doing exactly that to $4 million missiles.